So yesterday I had the pleasure of sitting down to talk to one of our patients who underwent 2 hip replacements with us in the last 4 months. And here's what he said.
Yeah.
And I know a little bit about your story just because I know that you love to be a firefighter and what was going on with your body was keeping you from doing what you loved, right?
hmm
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, my quality of life was nil.
Yeah.
Um, I to be honest with you, there's no way I could live like
Yeah.
that. There's no way,
No.
and I don't know what I would have done, but it would have been a tough go. I
Yeah.
don't. There's no way I would have lived like that.
Yeah.
There's no way.
No.
So, what else would you like to know?
Well, we're really happy that our paths crossed
Yeah.
with
Oh,
yours. Yeah, really, really
I'm
happy.
so happy he sent me to Dr. Goff. I love how Dr. Goff was just straightforward with everything. He told me what he could do. I don't want to say he warned me like the infections that could happen, and which I was well aware
Mhm.
because I've had many surgeries, so I was well aware of it.
Mhm.
So he was forthright with everything. Um, I didn't think it would go as well as it did, to be
Yeah.
honest with you.
Yeah.
Um,
And what about your pain afterwards? Did you have to take a lot of pain meds?
no, actually, so the first hit was the first week was a little tough because that hit was really bad. So I went from I was on pain meds for a long time to the point where they were watching me,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't like taking pain meds. I never did. Um, so I went from that, and he gave me the tramadol, and I was already kind of coming off the tramadol. I think within the first week.
Good.
So so I went from that to there was finally there was some hope in my life
Yeah.
with the first hit, and then I had the fusion. There was a lot more nerve pain with that than this, obviously. And then after I don't know how many weeks, I think it was 6 weeks,
Yep.
uh, approximately. Then we did the left hip, and I was off. I didn't really take the pain for that as much as I was taking it for the back and the nerves.
Mm-hmm.
So it was never this was never really a problem. In fact, on the second one, I was so relieved and finally in a place where I could sleep that I was sleeping 20 hours a day for the first like 3 or 4 days after the
Good.
surgery. It was so good.
Your body probably needed it.
Oh my God, it was so good to sleep that much. I'd get up, eat, sleep. It was fantastic.
Good.
Um,
And you hadn't been sleeping before.
no, no,
Yeah.
no. It had been years actually that hadn't been able to sleep, but the past like 8 months was terrible. So, um, so it was I couldn't be happier.
We're really happy for you. Thank you so much for
Just to
sharing your
walk
story.
again, it
Yeah.
was so good.
Yeah. And you're smiling now. I
Yeah.
remember first when we first
Oh,
met
it's
back in what? It
miserable.
was like February-ish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You were
Yeah.
not smiling.
No,
No.
no, there was
No.
not much to smile about.
No.
So I had no quality of life.
Yeah.
I finally have a life.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and then soon, I mean, I started doing some light workouts, so I'm already headed towards that. The cardio part, I'll work on. So we'll go from there. I mean, no, I just couldn't be happier. I really couldn't.
Good. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Mike. We
Thank you.
appreciate it. Yeah.
Yeah.